Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Freezing temperatures are here, but are you still relying on basic leggings that just don't cut it? In this guide, we've tested and ranked the top 5 fleece-lined leggings of 2026 to help you find the ultimate winter upgrade. Let's find your perfect match.
Product number 1. Camp Snail Fleece-Lined Leggings for Women. The Camp Snail Fleece-Lined Leggings are a masterclass in thermal comfort, designed specifically for those who refuse to let sub-zero temperatures halt their day. These leggings feature a high-waisted design with effective tummy control, providing a sleek silhouette that doesn't compromise on warmth. The interior is lined with a thick, soft velvet-like fleece that creates a reliable thermal barrier against biting winds. What sets the Camp Snail apart is its thick, soft material composition, which feels incredibly plush against the skin without the itchiness often associated with lower quality thermals. They are opaque enough to be worn as standalone pants, squat-proof, but thin enough to layer under a shell for extreme snow activities. For users who prioritize a soft touch finish and a secure stay-put waistband, these are a top-tier choice for daily winter wear.
Product number 2. Nexi Epoch Fleece-Lined Leggings for Women. Nexi Epoch has engineered these leggings with a specific focus on extreme cold and snow performance. Their thermal thick construction is noticeably denser than standard fashion leggings, providing a substantial weight that holds heat exceptionally well. The high-waisted cut is designed with a compression-style fit that aids in tummy control while ensuring the leggings don't slide down during vigorous movement. In testing, the Nexi Epoch stands out for its durability. The fabric resists pilling even after multiple heavy-duty wash cycles, a common failure point for fleece-lined gear. The breathability is surprisingly well managed for such a thick garment, preventing the sweaty feeling during transitions from the freezing outdoors to heated indoor spaces. If you live in a region with frequent snow and need a rugged, reliable base layer that feels like a second skin, Nexi Epoch delivers professional-grade protection.
Product number 3. Full Soft Thick Fleece-Lined Leggings. Full Soft lives up to its name by offering a legging that balances the flexibility of yoga pants with the insulation of thermal wear. These are the all-rounders of the group, featuring a 4-way stretch fabric that allows for an unrestricted range of motion. This makes them the ideal pick for winter yoga sessions, indoor workouts in chilly gyms, or as a cozy loungewear option. The high-waisted design is specifically optimized for workout stability, offering a secure fit that supports the core without being overly restrictive. The interior fleece is brushed for maximum softness, providing immediate warmth the moment you put them on. While they are thick, the Full Soft leggings maintain a streamlined look that pairs well with boots and oversized sweaters. Product number 4. Camp Snail Water-Resistant Fleece-Lined Leggings. This version of the Camp Snail legging is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Unlike standard fleece leggings that soak up moisture, these are water-resistant, making them the definitive choice for hiking in the snow or dealing with sleet. The outer shell acts as a shield, causing light moisture to bead off, while the inner thermal lining keeps your body heat locked in. Beyond the weatherproofing, these leggings feature functional side pockets, a rare and highly valued addition in the thermal category. The pockets are deep enough to secure a smartphone or keys during a winter hike. The high-waisted design remains consistent with Camp Snail's focus on tummy control and comfort. If your winter involves being active in wet, snowy conditions, the added water resistance and utility pockets make this model a superior functional upgrade. Produce number 5. Ayuga Fleece-Lined Hiking and Yoga Leggings. Ayuga is a brand synonymous with high-performance athletic wear, and their fleece-lined offering is no exception. These leggings are specifically marketed for hiking and outdoor yoga, featuring a specialized fabric blend that maximizes heat retention while wicking away moisture from the skin. This moisture-wicking property is crucial for high-intensity winter activities, where perspiration can quickly lead to a chill. The Ayuga leggings include large, ergonomic side pockets and a hidden waistband pocket for cards or keys, catering to the minimalist hiker. The high-waisted design provides excellent coverage and support, ensuring the leggings stay in place through deep lunges or steep climbs. The build quality is exceptional, featuring gusseted crotch seams to prevent tearing under stress. For the serious winter athlete who needs gear that performs as hard as they do, the Ayuga leggings are a highly recommended investment.